How to add clickable link in Instagram Reels. Now in this video, I'll provide you steps for you to be able to add clickable links in your Instagram Reels. So first is open up your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in. Now the very first thing that you want to do is to head into your profile menu at the lower right where you can see your profile picture. And from there, just simply tap on edit profile. And here, just simply scroll down a bit and then below bio, just choose on add link and choose on add link once again. So this is actually where you can paste your customized URL or your any type of links that you have in mind that you would like people to have that click. Just simply type in links or say for example testing.com and check. Now once you've added your link, you can go back and edit your reel. So say for example this one. All right. So you're gonna have to let people know that there is an actual link that can be clicked on your profile, or you can also try to paste your link under the caption and add hashtags in it so that people can just simply tap on that and will automatically be rerouted into the link that you have pasted here. And that's it. That's how you add clickable link in Instagram Reels.